Hey everyone, good morning and good morning from my bed in Hangzhou. It's now 10 a.m. Beijing time and I am in my study room. And this is my bed. So you may ask, where is Flo? He is in the other room. So ever since my leg got injured, we slept in 2 different rooms because he moves a lot at night and we are afraid that he might accidentally hit my injured leg. And it has been 6 weeks now and I've got a lot of message from you asking me how am I doing lately, and today I want to make a video, just want to share with you a day of my life. And today we are supposed to go to the hospital to take an x-ray and see how the bone grows. This is how I walk around at home lately. I have a working chair and I can just scoot around.宝宝，起床，起床，快点起床，起床，10点了。
回来。
起床。你睡得好吗？
睡得很好。宝宝，你要喝咖啡吗？
要喝咖啡。
好，给你做。
给我做咖啡。Our first thing in the morning is the coffee. Our kitchen is quite small, but we got a very nice coffee machine. While he's making the coffee, let me check out my parcels. So I had some orders. 2 package. I don't know what's in it. And this one is the vegetables that I bought online. I always buy vegetable online. And let me check what I have. So I got some shredded pork and some green vegetables, pepper and 青菜. Oh, the coffee is ready. My cappuccino. So where is the heart, Bobo?
Yeah, I tried my best, but eventually it became I would say, papaya?
A papaya. Thanks anyway.
Cheers, Bobo.
We're not really the morning person, so we normally eat brunch at 12 o'clock and Flo is having
A good old muesli, like oats with some fruits and chia seeds and milk.
and I'm going to have a cappuccino in my beautiful cup that I bought online, and some bread, some cherry tomato and a walnut paste. Bon appetit!
Bon appetit!
After the coffee, I want to give you a room tour because we moved in about 2 months ago. So our apartment is in total 75 square meters and it has 1 living room and 2 bedrooms. The total rent is about 5,000 yuan per month. But first of all, let me start from the entrance. So this is our entrance door. We changed the lock into a smart lock. So now we can open the door with our fingerprint or password. We don't need a physical key anymore. And to the side, this is our kitchen. It's very well ventilated. And let me continue the tour. So here is another bright bedroom, the main bedroom, and this is our washroom. And we have a very proud installation. That is this. Shut up. We bought it online for 30 yuan and it's just one of the most useful tools ever in a bathroom. It's hygienic and convenient. So currently I'm also sleeping in this room. On the wall you can see all those posted. That's for Russian learning. We are learning Russian. And now let's move to the balcony. We have a big balcony. 你好，你在干嘛？
我在休息中呢。
So the balcony is Flo's most favorite and most proud corner. I give the camera to him.
Yes, so this balcony is really cool. So we bought this little bar table here, and we just sit here, and then we can just work and enjoy the beautiful view, which is quite amazing. So in China it's quite typical that you can also close the balcony. So there is a window here and there, and that's quite cool because when it rains it doesn't get dirty and the table doesn't get wet. And also there is the washing machine. So here we wash our clothes and then you can just hang it here. And yeah, overall it's a really nice balcony. I really love that.
Hey, but you forgot one thing.
What?
Something extremely important. This. And I have to find different supplier for this bulb.
Yeah, this is this is a light bulb chain that I really like. I put it along the whole window, and in the evenings it's very nice because it gets very cozy and there is light. And actually when you are down there you can see our flat already because it's the only flat
That blinks.
that blinks at night. So this is the compound where we're living. There are like a couple of those buildings. This is ours. And here's some little playground. And yeah, it's quite nice. And now we have to go to the hospital.
Otherwise, the hospital will be off work soon.
Yeah, true. Here they have mid-break from I think 12 to 2. And then they work until 5. So you need to hurry a little bit. And get an x-ray done for Bao Bao's foot.
You know, I thought today is Tuesday and perhaps the hospital won't be so busy, but it is actually super busy.
So I'm gonna get Yen a wheelchair because I think it's faster. So that's how easy it works. You just scan a QR code with WeChat. Then you have to pay like 300 yuan deposit that you get back later, and then you get a wheelchair. Give me Luni.
It's very busy in Chinese hospitals, but it's also very efficient. I get my ticket at the machine, and now I just need to wait like everyone else, waiting for my number to be called. I'm getting a self-service blood pressure test first.
CT 机房准备检查。
We spent a lot of time waiting, so I'm now doing a CT. I'm number 150, and there are 20 people ahead of us, and we're just waiting in the corridor now. So we just came out from the doctor's office. He showed us a photo, and apparently I am way too optimistic about it. It has been 6 weeks now, and the doctor said normally the bone should heal quite a lot, but for me it seems that I haven't made so much progress, so
might take longer than expected.
I must say it's quite disappointing because I still can't walk. I'm not allowed to walk. He suggests me to still wear the cast and then come back to the hospital in 2 weeks. So now we're getting some Chinese medicine that helps the bone to heal.
Yeah, hopefully it goes fast.
Right now I'm working on a long documentary on Xinjiang Uyghur Autonomous Region. So I will show you how I work. I have all those folders, and every folder is a story in Xinjiang, and now I'm trying to compiling everything into one video. And I find it quite difficult to edit long videos, but I just hope it will be rewarding. And at this moment, I heard there is some noise in the kitchen, and let's check out what Flo is doing right now. 宝宝，你在干嘛呀？
我在吃晚饭。
你在做晚饭，在做什么东西？ Wow, you are cleaning a dough.
I'm making pretzel because after 4 months in China, I started missing good old German pretzel. So I was like, let's do it myself. See if I manage. So yeah, looking forward to dinner, Bobo.
Wow, I'm going to eat pretzel today. So after the pretzel next time, we should eat Schweinehaxen.
You can do that.
Okay, Baba, good luck. Good work. Keep working.
I don't think that's the right way how to do it.
The form doesn't look so... The form looks a bit strange.
And then you can put it together like this.
Oh.
Xiao pretzel, Bobo pretzel.
I'm also participating in it, in stretching this dough. It looks a bit strange, honestly. So Flo said this is going to be a pretzel, and this is going to be... What?
A Laugenstange.
Laugenstange.
Just 30 seconds or so, then you can put it out.
Oh!
但是我忘了盐。
你没有放盐是吗？
对。
没有关系，但是看起来很不错。Looks
对。
really nice.
How much do you rate this out of 10?
20!
Oh wow, let's try, Bobo.
You're becoming the master of bread making. You know what's more important in this pretzel? Love. 我尝一尝。
好吃吗？
Best pretzel ever. Much better than the ones I had in Germany.
Of course.
Finally, we're ready for dinner. It's a weird mix. We have pretzel, scrambled egg, and cherry tomato, and this is some vegetable with mushrooms. And that's pretty much our ordinary day, ordinary life. And I wish you a good night. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.